Do not carry the worries of this life, because this life is for Allah. And do not carry the worries of a substance, because this is from Allah. And do not carry the anxiety for the future, because it is from in hand of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nafis stores opening in our city. Nafis bakers and sweets since 1979, and these are the products they are showing in their showcase. I hope you will enjoy. They contribute lots of sweets box in the community, and whole community is gathered here doing dua khair, dua for prayer for goodness and success. May Allah bless their business and put barakat in it, and make it mubarak, beneficial for all the community. So these are lots of people standing by Nafis store, which is decorated with balloons, and I visited the store inside, outside as well. Was nice and clean. Nafis meaning is the high standard or cleanness. That's why our MP Yasin is standing there with the flower bouquet. He's welcoming, and he's standing by Imam Masjid, and lots of people are outside here and listening the dua and saying Ameen. Ameen mean, oh Allah, please accept our prayers. So new sweet store on Fordent Road, and there is a Royal Sweet Center as well. Now this is Nafis one opened, and people like to buy mithai, sweets, and bakery from this store for their happy events, for birthdays, for weddings and anniversaries, and on in Eid. They present with the blue nice box. I'm going to show it to you later on. There is a dua taking place. It's not allowed enough I could show you, so I'm just doing voiceover so you could understand. There were lots of people after praying together in mosque. They all came here, been invited personally and advertised in a mosque yesterday in mosques. So lots of people came up, big turn up, and they have a big full lorry full of drink. Was very delicious mango drink they made, and other thing there was a sweet. I have tasted the sweet, was really good. Patasa I have, I don't know what patisa I have tasted, as well as there was pink tea or kind of tea. I didn't try that one. So there are people gathered here. After people, there was lots of ladies coming up and receiving the sweet box. I had one sweet box as well. So we wish them the best, and happy new year, successful life ahead. There was a young child who was playing with the balloons. So most of the people in our community know me well. There was our counselor standing by me. They said there are no many ladies. I said we two ladies are enough, no needed others. Here there are kind of drinks they've been offering, and the sweets. This is their advertise panel screen. This kind of sweets they make, and this is the biscuits they make, like fresh made biscuits you would like to eat. And this is the cake they decorate and make, because first of all it matter how it looks like, and other how it tastes, and how good presentation, as well as how good ingredients being used. This is the mithai on a display. People are purchasing. Lots of people came in, and there was big queue Today was one and half one. There was opening day, so I stood in a queue for a long time, 5-10 minutes you could say, just to reach up to here. And whenever I have a chance to record, I was recording. I hope you're going to understand. And one thing I would like to say, the high standard cleanliness issues. It's the first day of this bakery today, but you could see how nicely they display. The customers could see very clearly in the showcase. They see the product, they see the display, they feel very attractive, very just mouth watering, if you want to say, because the youngsters now they like bakery, they like this kind of sweets and stuff. Even they have a savory samosas, pakoras, seekh kebabs. In Royal it's a sweet shop, but people buy all kind of food there: samosa, pakora, chana chaat, as well as they like to do takeaway as well. Beside, and now they open another sweet shop, which going to run very well, I hope. This is the fresh bakery they make. Because everybody have something special about their ingredient and how to make and how to present, so the people become customer of them. And I have tried this cakes before, really delicious. If you going to somebody's house and there are young children, buy some bakery biscuits or something for children and family. If you're going for tea party or birthdays or any happy occasion, you can buy stuff from here. And this is biscuits as well. Rusk is called. In winter, children like to eat all these things. You just buy and finish in a few days. And they displayed their mithai, their sweet, very nicely. And people are buying. There are some other products which I haven't recorded, but the things I have tasted and I have I really appreciate. The mango drink was very good, as well as the patasa, and I have tried two things. And the jalebi was very crunchy and very nicely made. So more time we're going to try to visit. I'm not allowed to eat too much sugar, but still sometimes I like to like the sweets. I like the sweets from Ambala. Most of the time I like Ambala sweets. But if royal sweets I tried, I felt a little bit savory. Now I'm going to try this one. If I compare the taste, Ambala is in first place, Nafis is in second place, and Royal is in third place. And this is my personal opinion. I don't know. This is the first day of opening. I have tried, and I might try later on as well. These are all rolls, samosa, pastries, and pakoras. And you could order or you can buy from here, like a pizza, just a savory stuff. And this is only made like a bakery. Now they have given me this parcel, just a box of sweets with a drink. And it was so kind, not just me, everybody was receiving it. Nearly 300 or 1,000 people might have. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel Desi Bibi UK and share it with your family and friends. Please press the bell icon button and like button if you like, and share it with your family and friends. You can always write good comments which encourage us to do better. I always stand by my community for their progress and wish them the best. Happy New Year and lots of best wishes for you and all the people around us. We are here to take care of each other. Thank you for watching.